Hello guys and welcome back again. I'm Linda and today we just want to do a grocery haul and also to just wash the things I've got and also to just set them up in the fridge. And before I continue, I just want to thank all of you for subscribing. Tumegrow kidogo, so I just want to say thank you all of you for subscribing and for the love that you're sharing, for the comments, and for everyone who shares my videos. I just want to say thank you. So I'll just show you what I got today from the market. Since I'm in Nakuru, I just buy my grocery at a free area. There's a market there and it's relatively cheap compared to what I used to spend in Nairobi. Because for all these things I bought today, I think I've spent 3,500. So guys, let's do this together.
Sit on my bed, I got nothing to do. Take out my phone, 1 second, right to you. I'm really bored, please don't ignore. Started as fun, now I randomly know you love rainy days and you still live at home. It's cool to see you're real with me. Oh no, we've never met and things like this never last. But every time you text back, I can't help but reply with hearts in my eyes. God, I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face. I think I really like you, but I don't wanna repeat my mistakes. And I guess I'm kinda scared of meeting you in person, cause you're really cute. I think instead I'll slide into your DMs like I said. I think I really like you, but I'll never say it straight to your face. Been a few weeks and we're keeping this up. Difficult to deny we're on the cusp of something more, can't be ignored. I let you know every part of me, all of the nuances no one else sees. We talk all night, I read then type. Oh no, we've never met and things like this never last. But every time you text back, I can't help but reply with hearts in my eyes. God, I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face. This never lasts, but every time you text back, I can't help but reply with hearts in my eyes. God, I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face. I think I really like you, but I don't wanna repeat my mistakes.
Now guys, this is called free area market. When you come to Nakuru, you'll just see it on your way. Let's say if you're going to Western, you just see it on your way. And yeah, this is where I get my vegetables from and cereals. The prices are really friendly compared to what I used to spend in Nairobi. And you really get fresh produce. Like if you go early morning, you'll just get fresh produce from the shamba.
I think I really like you, but I don't wanna repeat my mistakes. And I guess I'm kinda scared of meeting you in person, cause you're really cute. I think instead I'll slide into your DMs like I said. I think I really like you, but I'll never say it straight to your face. I really like you, yeah, yeah. I really like you. I really like you. I really like you. Like, I really like you. I really like you. Like, I really like you. I really like you. Like, I really like you. I really like you. Like.
So for me, I usually have specific places or specific vendors that I buy my vegetables from, and I think hata tumejuana by now. So when you just enter, utapatana na place yenye kuna vegetables, then kuna fruits, and then I usually get my potatoes pia hapo kando. Then since I trust this lady, I just leave them with I just leave her with the everything that I've bought at that particular point before continuing to buy maybe cereals and onions and mboga za kienyeji and such. After I finish, I just come collect, then pack up in the car, then head home.
Wide awake in an empty room, all alone with the thought of you. got drunk and I told you I loved you. On a night when we stayed out too late. Did I really love?
So these are my groceries. They're still all wrapped up. We'll just start removing them and washing them and cleaning them up, and then tutadondoa mboga tuchemshe, because I've bought some brenda and also some kunde, some saga, if you know mboga kali, it's called osuga, and terere. So yeah, that's that. I've also got a lot of carrots, a sack of potatoes. I think today a sack of potatoes was going for 700. Yeah, so they vary from time to time. I've also got some watermelon and everything, so let's just unwrap them. So guys, the first thing I did was to clean my fruits. These were the oranges and the mangoes, and I usually add a little vinegar in the water just to make sure they are cleaned proper enough. So after that, I went on to cleaning my hohos. Yeah, and I also used the same procedure of just adding vinegar in your water. Then you soak your hohos kidogo, you rinse off, and that's that.
Rainy days and you still live at home. It's cool to see you're real with me. Oh no, we've never met, and things like this never last. But every time you text back, I can't help but reply with hearts in my eyes. 'Cause I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face. I think I really like you, but I don't wanna repeat my mistakes.
So guys, I went on to cutting my cabbages, like removing the outer cover of the cabbage, then just preparing them and putting in the fridge. And by preparing them, I mean cutting them into 4 equal parts, not necessarily, but you get it, and just wrapping it with the clinging foil. You make sure the foil is tight enough around your cabbage. Then you just place this in the vegetable compartment in the fridge.
Like you, but I don't wanna repeat my mistakes. And I guess I'm kinda scared of meeting you in person, 'cause you're really cute. I think instead I'll slide into your DMs. Like I said, I think I really like you, but I'll never say it straight to your face. Been a few weeks and we're keeping this up. Difficult to deny we're on the cusp of something more. Can't be ignored. I let you know every part of me. All of the nuances no one else sees. We talk.
Now, since my fruits had already dripped off the water, it was now time to now put them and store them in these beautiful storage containers that I got from Kamkunji. And so guys, I went on to putting my oranges, and you can see I was struggling a bit. I had to put kidogo and put others in other containers. I didn't want that, yeah, because I had a lot of fruits to put, because I also had these mangoes waiting for me to put in, but I had no others. I had to remove some of the oranges and combined my mangoes with apples, and also combined some mangoes with oranges.
I read them type. Oh no, we've never met, and things like this never last. But every time you text back, I can't help but reply with hearts in my eyes. 'Cause I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face. I think I really like you, but I don't wanna repeat my mistakes. And I guess I'm kinda scared of meeting you in person, 'cause you're really cute. I think instead I'll slide into your DMs. Like I said, I think I really like you, but I'll never say it straight to your face. I really like you. Yeah, yeah. I really, 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 really like you. I really like you. I really like you. Like, I really like you. I really like you. Like, I really like you. I really like you. Like, I really like you. I really like you. Like, I read them type. Oh no, we've never met, and things like this never last. But every time you text back, I can't help but reply with hearts in my eyes. 'Cause I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face. I think I really like you, but I don't wanna repeat my mistakes. And I guess I'm kinda.
So guys, I now started packing everything in the fridge, and I realized I had some lemons, nikazirudisha tu hapo juu, and started arranging my fridge with these new storage containers from Kamkunji. And yeah, they looked so pretty, and the fridge looked so organized, because now everything is in its own storage container. Hauwekelei tu hivyo hivyo. So yeah, that is what I was trying to do here. So guys, after storing my cabbage in the lower compartment, as in ile place ya vegetables, I went ahead to now cleaning my carrots, because there were a lot of carrots. So what I do first is just to soak them in the vinegar water again, just a little bit of vinegar. And yeah, after that, you just place them in another basket to rinse off. Yeah, like to dry off, not to rinse off, to dry off. Yeah, and after this, you have to look for a polythene bag if you have, or those Ziplocs, yeah. If you want to store your cabbage, no, if you want to store your carrots for a long time, yeah, if let's say for a month or such in the fridge, yeah. So this is what I do. I usually wash them, let them to dry kidogo kidogo, then I just take a Ziploc bag and place them in, and I wrap completely, like completely, hewa isiingie ndani. Then I just place them in the lower compartment of the fridge.
I must admit, I just can't quit. Huffing and puffing, cardio hitting. I'm losing pace, dreading away to get to you. Ooh, around we go. Ooh, a spinning cyclone. Please give your love to me. Ooh, darling, don't you know that you're wearing me out? A record, baby, round you, spin me around, and I'm dizzy now, and I'm wearing out, out, out. Ooh, darling, don't you know that you're wearing me thin? Don't think 'cause baby, I'm 500 miles in, and I'm tiring. Just let me in. I'm overworked, I'm underwhelmed.
So guys, after finishing with the packing of the carrots, I just placed them up kwa the lower compartments, and this fridge comes with 2 compartments for vegetables and fruits. So yeah, you can see them down there. And yeah, these carrots, if you store them like that, they can last you for a whole month. Guys, we are in the final bit of our video, and I just want to share with you how I make my barbecue beef ribs. It's so easy after marinating, because here I had already marinated it, like imeka for like 3 hours in the fridge. And now here I'm just placing them in the foil and wrapping them all up kabisa before I steam them in the instant pot. And I usually steam it in the instant pot for like 20 minutes before now putting it in the grill to barbecue, as in to grill it ikae kama roasted vile zinakanga huko kwa, what do you call it, a big square, if you're in Nairobi, big square, yeah. So this is me just placing it in the steamer to steam, in the instant pot to steam, after which I'll release the steam and now set them up on the grill. So here I was getting ready to grill my meat, and the first thing you do is you preheat your machine, as in this case my air fryer. This air fryer can do a lot of stuff. It can even bake, reheat your food, and so on and so forth, air fry. So yeah, I just prepared it and applied some oil on the pan, on its pan, on this grill pan. Make sure my food doesn't burn before placing in my pieces of meat. And also this grill, you have to preheat it first, and it will tell you when to add your food.
I think I really like you, but I don't wanna repeat my mistakes. And I guess I'm kinda scared of meeting you in person, cause you're really cute. I think instead I'll slide into your DMs. Like I said, I think I really like you, but I'll never say it straight to your face. Been a few weeks and we're keeping this up. Difficult to deny we're on the cusp of something more. Can't be ignored. I let you know every part of me. All of the nuances no one else sees. We talk all night. I read then type. Oh no, we've never met, and things like this never last. But every time you text back, I can't help but reply with hearts in my eyes. I think I really like you, but I'll never say it straight to your face.
So for this machine also, it calculates your cook time, and when it's midway through, it will tell you to flip your food. So for me, I usually wait for that flip time, and if I had put barbecue on top of the meat, I'll just flip, then I'll apply the barbecue sauce on the other side before now doing the final cook time. So guys, this is me flipping the meat. Top side iende chini, downside ikuje juu, and also adding the barbecue sauce as I had explained before now the final cook.
Thought I'd miss you more than I do, but I kinda like it. Should I try?
So I usually add a pepper foil on top of my meat when I'm grilling it or roasting, yeah, or even air frying, just to give it a more crispier look and a crispier taste. So guys, finally our barbecued beef was ready to serve, and yeah, you also get an alert from this grill that your food is ready. It will make a beeping sound and the screen will tell you goodbye. So yeah, this is me now just plating the beef before serving for eating. So guys, this is the up close of the barbecued beef, and yeah, it was so nice, and it was also soft because remember we had steamed it. Yeah, if you want the perfect like barbecued ribs, just steam it for 20 minutes if you have a pressure pot before now grilling it. You get very very nice and soft and yeah, just very very nice results because this meat aikatali kwa bone inatoka haraka sana ukibite. Yeah? So guys, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please share, subscribe and like and comment.